Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 E350 4MATIC. This one's in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Black MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. Rear spoiler. E350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, rear shade, dual clamp controls, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This E-Class has 135,214 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.